Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the AR Blue Clean 3-in-1 3270 dry and wet hoover or vacuum cleaner. It has also a blow function. There are different images on the box which show what you can use it for. It shows you can use it inside the house, in the basement, in the attic. I don't know what's the difference between attic, basement and the house itself. It shows that you can use it for a small quantity of water, on furniture, in cars, whatever. By the way, it is 7 kilos the weight, 1200 watts, and it comes with a 20 liters container, and also the diameter of the pipe, the hose pipe, is 35 millimeters. I received the product from automoshowwebshop.hu, however it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Let's unbox it first and we'll see what is within the box. Okay, obviously there was the housing, there was the motor and the electronics. It comes with a washable filter, then it has some heads, the wheels, some parts of the pipe, a bit of rainforest, one more larger size head and the flexi pipe. Let's assemble it and then we'll see how it works. Okay, now I put or I assembled it in like a suction mode because there is another connector on the top, on the back, and that would be the blow or the blower, but I want to try it this way first. Okay, boys and girls, that was the AR Blue Clean 3270 dry wet vacuum. I will start with the negatives. The blower on it is not really the strongest. I don't really like the floor head, this wide head. It has like a rubber part on it. I suppose it's when you are hoovering or vacuuming a wet floor with it, just to, I don't know, push the water in front of, or I don't know. But with that head, it doesn't really want to provide enough suction. Otherwise, the suction power is okay. When I was drilling the holes on the wall, it was working just fine. It was brilliant. And oh yeah, and also this, there are two little, I don't know what is this, like clips. When you want to remove the top part, when you open it, it feels like you are just about to break it, but you are not breaking it. It just feels like, I'm pretty sure it could have been done some smarter way, but this is what it is. And the last negative is that it's a bit loud. So I wouldn't use it all day long, because for that it's loud, but you need to you need to consider the price also to it, that it's not the most expensive, not the cheapest. So according to its price, it's okay, but just be aware that it has some considerable level of noise. Otherwise, I can recommend it. I haven't tried the wet part because I didn't want to mess it. I need to return it, and yeah, that's that. So I would say, considering the price, I would recommend, but there are better vacuum cleaners or hoovers out there in the market, and of course there are considerably worse as well. So based on the price, it's okay. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.